Hello everyone. After configuring our bike, let's see what these other two blueprints are. The first one is the path blueprint. You can drag it to your level. This is the spline you can ride your bike on. After dragging it into your level, just select one of the spline points and move it where you want. To add new spline points, hold the Alt key and drag a spline point. It is better to draw your path from the top view for better judgment. After drawing your path, you can conform it to your terrain. Although the bike wheels will always stick to the ground, it is highly recommended to keep your spline close to the ground you want to ride your bike, especially in multi-layered meshes like parking lots. So, the bike knows which surface it should stick to. To do so, just move it higher than the ground so all the spline points are above the ground and click on Snap to Ground. When I do so, the spline points will trace downward until they hit something. Then there is this offset for snapping. You can set an offset in centimeters so your spline conforms to the ground with an offset. This is to prevent your spline from going into the ground, so you can select the spline points easier. Next is the reverse spline. The spline point with the billboard is the starting point. If I drag a bike into the level and select the path, it will move to the start point of the path. If I hit this reverse toggle, it will jump to the other end. You can close the spline with this toggle. Let me adjust my path a bit. When I hit that, it will connect the end point to the start point. There is also a flatten tangents option. When you create spline points, their tangents will be automatic, based on the neighboring spline points. You can modify the tangents of each spline point by selecting the point and then rotating or scaling it. If you want your tangents to be completely horizontal, you can use this toggle. Let's see what that does. If at any point, you wanted your tangents automatic again, just select a spline point, right-click on it, select all spline points, and hit the T key. At last, you can read the path length in centimeters from here. I have gone through the process of connecting multiple paths and switching between them in another video from the car rig series. You can check the video if you want to know more. The next blueprint is the jump ramp. Since the bike wheels always stick to the ground, you can drag this jump ramp into your level, shape it, and then animate your bike on it, so it looks like the bike is jumping in mid-air. When you hit the G key, it will be invisible, and it's always invisible in the render. You can see how I have used this blueprint in the showcase video. That's it for this video. See you later.